What's up, guys? This is Donovan with Simple Productions, back at it again with another little video. So today we are doing the carpet install. If you guys are interested in watching different kind of videos that involve a 96 F350 dually with a 7.3 power stroke, blah 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 blah, be sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below. It really helps me out because there's even more of an audience that's watching my videos, so it makes me want to make more content for you guys. So be sure to hit that like button, comment down below, and be sure you subscribe to the channel. It really helps out. And yeah, so heading over to the shop right now and tear out this old carpet and reinstall with the new carpet. So yeah, let's get to it. Get back to the shop, and I already took this little pillar off right here because there's one of the screws that looked like it's stripped out. So I wanted to take that out first and make sure that bolt's not stripped out, and then run to the issue and have all the seats out of the truck, and then I'll be kind of truckless for a little bit because I won't be able to put all the seats back in. Not really that. It's mostly like, you know, taking this off because I want to get that screw out, because that screw right there looked a little stripped out. So I want to be sure that wasn't stripped out and not run into any kind of issues. And be like, if I took the seats all out first and then I run into that issue, then it'll be a lot more process, because I got to put the seat back in, at least this seat back in, drive over to the store, get something, drill it out, blah, 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 because I need the truck, you know. I can't just be truckless, you know, for a little bit. I need to get like a little, like I don't know, like a pooter car or something, some kind of car to drive around while this truck is getting built up, because there's going to be some point where it's going to be a very, very serious modification where the truck's going to be down for a month or a couple months, you know. I'm not telling you guys that, but you guys will have fun that out if I end up doing that, because that's really the big direction I'm going with. One hit, it's going to make the truck ride really, really good, and it's going to make the truck really, really fast and run like it's new. So, with that being said, so yeah, I can't let the truck just sit around because I need the truck right now. But I need to get a little car, drive around while this truck will be out of commission for a couple months. So I got that out. So now I know that screw's good. I was able to get that little, you know, guard or pillar or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to do all four, and then I'm going to start and take the seats out. I should be able to just pull this right up. And there we go. Now we got the last one to put one out. It's pretty crazy seeing, other than the dirt, but seeing what the gray carpet used to look like when it was somewhat new. You know, it has a little, it's probably used to be even cleaner than this, but being this wasn't super, you know, really exposed to people's feet and stuff, it's a pretty good difference. So we got those all out. So now we're going to start on the seats. I'm not sure which direction, front, rear, or rear to front, I don't know, whatever I really start on, and get the seats out. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm starting on the driver's side. Up here, you got one bolt that goes right there, and then you got a nut that goes right there. So now that I got those out, you can lift the driver's side up. So now let's go on the passenger side. So now we're on the passenger side. You got the same thing, got the nut over here, and then you got the bolt right there. It's all on one platform, so be sure you have one more person with you to carry all three: the center console, driver's seat, and the passenger seat, and help you carry it all out all at one piece instead of having to take it separate pieces. Just take it all in one piece. It's much easier, as long as you have an extra person with you. If you don't have an extra person with you, then you probably have to disconnect it from that little frame right there and take all three seats out individually. You can take the center console out if you're planning on taking the center console out and replace it. You can do that. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and take those bolts out and carry the seat out. I really don't have anybody help me, so this should be fun. And get those loosened, and then we'll take out everything all at once. Honestly, I never really knew the back seat slid back and forth. I just kind of found that out, saw the handle over there, because I got the front bolts out. I was trying to figure out how to get to these ones in the back, and well, I saw the handle over there, and it had the same handle as in the front of those seats, and it all slid forward. So now I was able to get to these bolts, take those bolts out. Underneath all that trash, there's a one of those bolts, and then the normal socket on each side. So take those out, and the whole seat should be able to come right on out. Rear seat out. I actually found another key with the key fob and everything underneath the seat, which was really, really cool. So, yep, it's really, really dirty. Now we are working on the front one. Got it off the little hook there, and slide it on out. Should be pretty easy. Not really. Wasn't too bad. But here we go. Alright, so I got that one out. I'll move this one over, that way I don't have to carry it down. That one, the front one's very, very heavy. The back one is pretty light. Slide that over and we'll slide this one out. Now we are seatless inside this truck. So now it's the process of just taking the old carpet out and putting the new one in here, figuring out the holes. Doesn't have that many holes, you know, just what we taken out. Has one little opening right here for this wire, and that's really about it. So it should be pretty easy install, and it's gonna look really, really good. So there's before, and show you the process of putting the new carpet in there, and show you guys the after. So yeah, let's get to it.
Start from the front. Get underneath the gas pedal and brake pedal. Get underneath those plastic here. Try to be careful around some of this plastic. I'm trying to make this a roll up, just like that. So I'm going to have to go on the other side and do the roll up here. Alright, gotta keep everything together. Let me pull that wire out. I'll take it off this carpet. I might be able to reuse that, help out with the feet and such. And pull out the other.
What it looks like underneath all the carpet. It's a little dirty. I'm gonna vacuum all that out. I have to vacuum them all out. I'm gonna push this to the side, but I need to run to the store and get some dyno matting. It's not really dyno mat like brand, it's similar stuff. It kind of helps out with the sound, you know, keeps most of the sound out from underneath the vehicle and some of the heat out. So same with the back side. You gotta take the one screw out on each side up top, and then you got 4 tabs going across the bottom, and once you take that screw out in the tabs, it just kind of just falls right off. And same with the back side. We're on dynamite the back side, kind of soundproof the back, just help out a little bit while we're at it. And yeah, this is the easiest part right here, is the backing. So let's get that off, and yeah, we'll be done.
Well, this should be fun. Not sure it's legal, but got to do what you got to do.
Alright, so just got all the dyno matting in. It's not really dynamite, but dynamat, whatever you call it. But got all that done, so now we're just going to grab the new carpet from the garage and bring it on in here. It is nighttime, but we got enough light. These LEDs inside the cab are really, really bright, so we're good. So we're gonna bring these in. Got the back side off. That was very easy. So the carpet's all done. Let's get through some of the process of putting the seats back in, but it is finished now. So that's the end of the video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. That's when I'll show you guys the full revealing of the carpet set in Daytona, that you guys can really see the difference between before and after. So be sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. Be sure you guys hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys next one. Later. What's up, guys? What's up, everybody? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? This is Donovan doing with Simple Productions. Back at it again in a little video.
Jingle bell, bell.